Hi folks, this is Mary, otherwise known as Van Life Mary. Today I'm excited to show you about this Coachmen Galleria. It's a 24FL, and as you can see, it's just gorgeous. So if you are ready to take an adventure in a van, which is a little bit longer, it's 24 foot, not every van is gonna be this long, and so you're gonna have a lot of storage in the back here. It's Li3, so let's look inside. So this year they have put a automatic door, so you just have to click it open and it goes out open automatically. This is a 2022 model, so it's beautiful. As you can see, you've got this great screen, keep all the bugs out, but you still get that ventilation. You do have two captain's chairs here that will swivel, and look at this screen up here. It is amazing. It's bigger, it's got everything that you need. And the steering wheel has all the buttons that you would want to push as you're driving to make it easy down the road driving. Those seats also adjust, so you have 3 settings. You can set them as, you know, your comfort level and automatically adjust it, and then push the button when you get in. And look at this refrigerator, and I really think that it's nice that they have the freezer on the bottom. Not many people have to go in the freezer as much, so you get that. Then you've got your control panel. Everything that you need in here. It does have solar, lithium, and then let's look at this galley. You have a lot of counter space. For a van, this is amazing. And I really do think Coachmen does a good job of making the quality just appear beautiful when you're looking at it. All wood construction, really nice countertops. This is an induction cooktop stove, and this year they have 3 different levels. So you've got small, medium, and large on this. Look how beautiful that is. Then as you come back here, you've got your lagoon table here, which will swivel around. And this, of course, is your huge bed. So this will all make into a bed, or you can have basically like 2 twin-size beds. That way you can get out easier and go to the bathroom, which is really comfortable for a lot of people. Lots of storage all the way around. Then check this out. This is a closet slash pantry. So you've got your hanging space right here, then you've got your shelves, pull out drawer right down below, microwave up top, then here's your bathroom. And I like the Galleria does make your bathroom a little bit larger than most of their other units. So you've got a lot of space in there. A lot of elbow room. Now, a lot of people don't like to buy vans unless they have the new Firefly. This one does. So you've got this touch button. You just touch all the lights that you want. It makes things so much easier. Okay, again, this is the Coachmen Galleria 24FL. If you'd like to look at this unit or any of the other vans that we have on the lot, please give me a call. My name is Mary again. It's 406-850-4590. Thanks a lot.